How to install Adobe Premiere Pro for free. To get started, head down to the description down below and click on the link. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website, and we're going to head up to the top left hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products we're going to select Premiere Pro. Now on the official Premiere Pro homepage, we'll be able to see all the amazing features for your video editing in Premiere Pro. And we can scroll through and have a look at all of the features. You can craft the perfect story. You can edit your color and set the tone. You can mix your audio for a memorable soundtrack. You can add eye-catching effects, and you can create awesome animated titles. And at the bottom, you can explore all the other Premiere Pro features in more detail. So let's get you Adobe Premiere Pro. We're going to head down to the bottom and click on the free trial button. And most of us will be individuals. If you're a student or a teacher, or you're buying for a business, then you can select those options. But most of us will be an individual. Then we're going to choose between the Premiere Pro plan and the Creative Cloud Pro. With the Creative Cloud Pro option, you get access to all of the apps offered by Adobe, and it's your best value for money. So we're going to go with the Creative Cloud Pro option. Then we're going to choose a subscription. There's monthly, annual build monthly, and annual prepaid. Most of us are going to be choosing between the monthly and the annual build monthly. The annual build monthly is a little bit cheaper, but be careful, because if you do cancel early before the year is up, then there are cancellation fees that apply. So I always prefer to go for the monthly option if we're not sure if we want it for a full year. Then we can use it for 2 or 3 months and cancel whenever we want to. Then we're going to add a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, because why not? When you get 10 free standard assets, it's worth trying it out. Once you've made your selections, click the blue continue button. Check that Adobe has got all your selections right, and check that the GNOW is in fact 0. So you're getting access to Premiere Pro for free. And then just check when the 7-day free trial ends and how much you'll be charged when that 7-day free trial ends. Once you're happy with everything, enter your email address, click that blue continue button, and then in the next step, we're going to enter our payment information, and that'll start the download of the Creative Cloud app, and we can download and install Adobe Premiere Pro inside of the Creative Cloud Pro app. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions about how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro, then please let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy Premiere Pro as much as we do.